This is the new Anker 3-in-1 Cube with MagSafe Charger, and it's by far one of my favorite travel accessories, and also one that I use on my bedside because it does exactly what I would want something like this to do, and it does it very well. It charges my iPhone via MagSafe, AirPods on the back side here, and then if you push this little part in, out pops out a little tray to charge your Apple Watch. Before we get into the rest of the video, I just want to quickly mention that if you end up liking this video, please hit that like button and also be sure to subscribe so you don't miss more videos from us in the future. Also, I would love to hear from you, your thoughts on the Anker 3-in-1 Cube with MagSafe Charger in those comments down below. Let's start with the unboxing and the design of this little cube charger. Inside of the box itself, you'll get a power brick and a USB cable, all of the necessary accessories that you'll need to get the cube up and running, along with some guides and information. Speaking of this cube, it may be small, but it is definitely mighty, and it packs a little bit of a punch in terms of weight and build quality. It's made up of premium materials around the entire body, and there's some rubber along the bottom here so that if you put it on a table or your desk, it's not going to slide around easily, especially if you have all of those products on your desk and nightstand. So obviously to charge your phone, you can just go ahead and place it right here on top. And using MagSafe, it will charge at 15 watts and it'll hold everything in place via that magnetic connection, hence the word MagSafe. In order to create room for your AirPods, however, you can actually just tilt this little part forward. Your iPhone obviously stays in place because of magnets. And now you have this little base here to plop your AirPods on top. And of course, it works with AirPods 3, AirPods the original, the 2s, and of course the AirPods Pro. Also, whenever you have your iPhone placed on this little part here and propped forward, you can obviously see your iPhone from your nightstand or desk easily, but if you tilt it horizontally, you can then activate standby mode via the new feature in iOS 17. So not only are you using this as a charger, but also standby mode makes it so much better for when you dock it on your nightstand to get all of your necessary widgets and information at a quick glance. As I mentioned before, behind the phone part here, you have this little base. There's another little charging icon. And as you can see, this is the perfect spot to place your AirPods Pro, and it just docks and charges very quickly and very easily. And then on the right side of this cube, you push in and out pops this little Apple Watch charger. It's perfect for your Apple Watch Series 6, 7, 8, whatever one you have, even Apple Watch Ultra, which is what I use it for. I absolutely love this idea because if it was to ship like this without being able to conceal the Apple Watch part or fold this part down, this would be really hard to just toss in your bag and travel with it. But now you can just push this part in, fold this part up, becomes just a normal cube, toss it in your bag, and it's perfect for on-the-go travel. Now, my absolute favorite travel charger before life with the 3-in-1 Cube was Apple's MagSafe Duo. And while that charger may be a bit more compact and lightweight compared to this Cube, it doesn't charge your AirPods, which is a huge selling point. Obviously, it's called the 3-in-1 for a reason, 3-in-1 being iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. And you can only do two, obviously, because it's called the MagSafe Duo. And so if you want to charge all three prominent Apple devices with this cube, I highly recommend picking it up. I absolutely love that. And now I kicked my MagSafe Duo to the curb. And also it just wasn't a great, like 24/7 bedside charger. And the best part about this is I can just simply unplug it from my nightstand and take it on the go. But also, again, I just use it in my room or at my desk on the daily for my daily charging routine. And I've used other chargers like I think it's the Mophie one that I have on my desk currently. Well, I did, and then I replaced it with this. And before that, I had the Belkin 3-in-1. Both of those products were 3-in-1 chargers, and both of them were not great for traveling. Of course, I absolutely love the Anker 3-in-1 Cube with MagSafe Charger, but I would love to hear from you in the comments down below. Are you currently using a MagSafe Charger for your phone and Apple Watch? Is it one that you travel with or maybe at your bedside? Let me know in the comments down below which one it is and what you think of this new Anker 3-in-1 Cube with MagSafe Charger. Perhaps it might be worth picking up and replacing your current situation. Go ahead and let me know in those comments down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.